You can still plant vegetables in December, and some actually get better in the cold. Kale gets sweeter after frost. Garlic planted now is ready by spring. By the end, you'll know all 10 vegetables to plant this month. At number 8, I'll show you the one that's ready to harvest in just 30 days. And I'm saving a bonus tip at the end that'll help you grow all of these faster. Number 1, we have kale. Kale survives frost, snow, and temperatures down to 10 degrees without protection. But here's what makes it special. It gets sweeter after frost. The cold converts starches into sugars, so December planted kale tastes better in winter than it ever would in summer. Plant it now in zone 6 and above. In colder zones, use a cold frame or row covers. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart and water well after planting. Harvest outer leaves first. The plant keeps growing from the center, giving you fresh greens for 3 to 4 months. Best varieties are Winterbor, Lacinato, and Red Russian. Number 2 is spinach. Spinach loves cold weather. It grows best between 35 and 50 degrees, making December perfect for planting across most of the United States. Plant seeds half an inch deep and 2 inches apart. Spinach germinates in cold soil, so don't worry about chilly ground. In colder zones, use a cold frame or row cover. In zones 7 through 10, grow it outdoors with no protection. Start harvesting baby leaves in 30 to 40 days. Like kale, spinach tastes sweeter in cold weather with no bitterness. Here's a tip for this one. Spinach hates soggy soil. Make sure your bed drains well. Best varieties are Bloomsdale, Space, and Winter Giant. Number 3 is garlic. Garlic planted in December is ready next summer. This is one of the few vegetables that requires winter planting. Garlic needs cold dormancy to form proper bulbs. Break a bulb into individual cloves. Plant each one 2 inches deep, pointy end up, 6 inches apart. Add thick mulch to protect them through winter. Garlic grows roots in winter, shoots up in spring, and is ready to harvest by late June or July. Best varieties are hardneck garlic like Music and chestnut red for cold climates. Softneck like California early for warmer zones. If this is helpful, tap the like button so more gardeners can find this. And number 6 is the one that actually thrives in freezing temperatures better than anything else on this list. Number 4, we have onions. Specifically, overwintering varieties. Onions planted in December mature by late spring, giving you fresh onions weeks before anyone else. Choose overwintering varieties like Walla Walla, Texas Super Sweet, or Red Creole. Plant sets 4 inches apart and 1 inch deep. They grow slowly through winter, then shoot up in spring when temperatures warm. Keep the bed weeded. Onions have shallow roots and don't compete well with weeds. Harvest when the tops fall over and turn brown, usually in May or June. Number 5 is carrots. Carrots grow well in December in mild winter states like California, Texas, and Florida. In colder zones, use row covers or cold frames. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep and 2 inches apart. Thin to 3 inches once they sprout. Carrots take 60 to 80 days to mature, but cold makes them sweeter. Winter carrots taste better than summer ones because they convert starches to sugars. Make sure the soil is loose. Compacted soil causes forked or twisted roots. Best varieties are Napoli, Bolero, and Chantenay. Number 6 is lettuce. Winter varieties specifically. This is what I teased earlier. Winter lettuce doesn't just survive freezing temperatures, it thrives in them. Varieties like Winter Density, Arctic King, and North Pole handle temperatures down to 20 degrees without protection. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep and 1 inch apart. Lettuce seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them deep. In zones 7 through 10, grow it outdoors all winter. In colder zones, use a cold frame or grow it indoors in containers. Baby lettuce is ready in 21 to 30 days. Full heads take 45 to 60 days, but start harvesting outer leaves early. The plant keeps producing from the center. Number 7 is Swiss chard. Swiss chard is surprisingly cold hardy. It survives temperatures down to 15 degrees, especially with row covers or mulch. Plant seeds 1 inch deep and 6 inches apart. Chard seeds are clusters, so thin to 1 plant per spot once they're a few inches tall. Harvest outer leaves first. The plant keeps producing for 4 to 6 months if you harvest regularly. Chard works in zones 7 through 10 without protection. In colder zones, use mulch or row covers. Best varieties are Bright Lights, Ford Hook Giant, and Ruby Red. Drop a comment and tell me which vegetable you're planting first. Number 8, we have radishes. Here's the one I teased. Radishes are ready in just 25 to 30 days, even in cold weather. They're the fastest vegetable on this list. Plant seeds half an inch deep and 1 inch apart. Radishes love cool weather between 40 and 65 degrees. Thin to 2 inches apart if they're crowded. Water consistently. If the soil dries out, radishes turn woody and harsh. Keep them moist and they stay crisp and mild. Harvest when they're about 1 inch in diameter. Don't wait too long or they become pithy. Best varieties are Cherry Belle, French Breakfast, and Easter Egg. Number 9 is peas. Winter peas specifically. Winter peas are planted in December in warm southern states like Georgia, Alabama, and parts of Texas. They grow through winter and produce pods in early spring. Plant seeds 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart. Set up a trellis before planting. Peas need support to climb. Water when the soil dries out, but don't overwater. Peas take 60 to 70 days to produce pods, but fresh peas in February or March are worth the wait. Best varieties are Sugar Snap, Oregon Sugar Pod, and Green Arrow. Number 10, we have beets. Beets handle light frost and keep growing in cool weather down to 30 degrees. Plant seeds half an inch deep and 3 inches apart. Beet seeds are clusters, so thin to 1 plant per spot. Beets take 50 to 70 days to mature, but you can harvest the greens much sooner. Beet greens taste like mild chard and are ready in about 30 days. Cold weather makes beet roots sweeter. They're perfect for roasting, pickling, or eating raw. Best varieties are Detroit Dark Red, Golden Beet, and Kyaja. Here's the bonus tip I promised. If you want all these vegetables to grow faster and survive better, add a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch around them after planting. Straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips all work. Mulch insulates the soil, keeps roots warmer, suppresses weeds, and retains moisture. It's the easiest thing you can do to boost winter garden success. Most beginners skip this and wonder why their plants struggle. Don't skip it. So there you have it. 10 vegetables you can plant in December. Kale, spinach, garlic, onions, carrots, lettuce, chard, radishes, peas, and beets. And remember that bonus tip. Mulch everything for faster growth and better survival. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more gardeners can find this video. Subscribe for more winter gardening tips every week. Drop a comment and tell me which vegetable you're planting first. Now go plant something before it's too late.